Glass full of orange juice remains fresh at room temperature for only a few hours. Why does it spoil? If we have a magnified view of the air near the surface of the juice, we observe numerous microbes like the bacteria, virus, and yeast. Yeast cell is unicellular, elliptical in shape, and are saprophytic in nature. Inside the cell, we observe a prominent nucleus, numerous granules, and fat globules. These yeast cells contaminate the juice. In this medium, the cell gradually grows in size, and after attaining the maximum size, it forms a small projection on one side. This is known as the bud. By the process of budding, this yeast cell forms numerous new cells. Let us understand the spoilage of juice due to fermentation. The yeast cell absorbs sugar molecules present in the juice, and enzymes present inside the cell converts them into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide gas. These products diffuse out of the yeast cell. This causes the juice to change its color and look frothy. Fungi. When a piece of bread is kept outside for 2 or 3 days, we find some greenish-white woolly appearance on it. This is the fungus growing on the slice of bread. A closer observation shows that this type of fungus has thread-like mycelium growing on the bread surface. And we also see some vertical outgrowths bearing spores. This type of fungus is known as mucor. Penicillium is another type of fungus. The thread-like mycelium are branched and have partition walls. The vertical hyphae have dense brush-like spores bearing structures. These fungi are found growing on moist, decaying matter. If we look around in a similar kind of habitat, we also find the mushrooms. These are another type of fungi, and the body is divided into cap and shaft. A recap shows that there are 3 most common types of fungi. They are mucor, which possess undivided hyphae, and vertical spore-bearing hyphae. Penicillium, which has thread-like hyphae and partition walls. And they also possess brush-like spore-bearing structures. The third type is the commonly seen mushrooms with a cap and shaft.